Hi, thank you for looking at the Python booklet. So when you purchase this, you will be given a series of 8 booklets covering from the very basics, like the consoles and variables, to the very advanced, which is object-oriented programming. Each booklet is a Word document, which is there for you to edit and change as you see fit. And every booklet has a number and a title and objectives, along with a contents page and also a list of reading and activities, so task 1.1 and so forth. The tasks go up in level of complexity as you work your way through the booklet, and as you can see here, we're covering variable types, type conversion functions, and so forth and so on. And so the booklet goes through quite nicely along with appropriate screenshots and so forth. So that's the simple introduction, and as you move on to the more advanced stuff like functions, strings and dates, you will again get some objectives and a contents page, and along with a clear explanation of what a function is, function type conversions, etc., and along with a series of exercises as you work your way through. Again, here we can see here the explanation of a data structure, so and slicing, and again a list of exercises which the student can continue. Along with every single exercise, you will have all the Python solutions, and so I've organized solutions again in folders, and in here you will have a whole list of solutions which are clearly annotated inside the program, as you can see as it comes up. So again, you've got an explanation of what the program is, some more detailed than others, and again with appropriate examples for every single task. And again, that will come when you purchase the files. So that's it. Hope you find it useful. Any commentary or for improvements, please let me know. Ready for the next version that I will produce. Thank you for your time.